Welcome to Inductronics, world-class induction solutions company. This is a video of the Inductronics Chea series master controller with its optical pyrometer, a non-contact, accurate way of measuring a workpiece being heated. The master controller, bright and sharp display showing target temperature. In real time, relevant pyrometer settings stores all temperature data logging, which you can access via a Cat5 Ethernet connection on the back of the controller. The controller also has an SD flash memory slot for external storage of your data. The pyrometer. It's a plug-and-play two-color pyrometer. It comes with an aiming light, connecting cable, and a fully adjustable stand. To turn the master controller on, you press its foot switch, which also begins recording of the data logger feature. It can also provide an interface for uploading all the IR data real-time to your SQL server using Kepware if you wish. We very much hope to have the opportunity to become your one and only induction heating company for many years to come. Thank you for watching.